Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by making sure the iPhone actually keeps the original image file. Once done, go to Settings Photos and disable Optimize iPhone Storage so originals remain. Next, check the photos file type and size in Photos. Large originals preserve detail. Now open the WhatsApp chat and tap the plus button to reveal attachments. Do not pick photo if you must keep full quality. Instead, prepare to send the image as a document, which avoids WhatsApp compression. Once the photo is in Files, you can attach it without loss. Tap plus in WhatsApp, choose Document, then browse to the folder where you saved the image and select the file. WhatsApp will send bytes unchanged, so quality stays intact. If you have many photos, compress them into a single zip using the Files app or an iOS shortcut, and then send that zip as a document. This keeps all metadata and resolution. Make sure the recipient knows to unzip and open the originals on their device. Finish by tapping Send and ask the recipient to open the attachment from WhatsApp's document viewer rather than relying on a preview image. If the file exceeds WhatsApp's limit or fails, use iCloud Drive Share Link or AirDrop for instant high-quality transfer. Alternatively, reduce resolutions slightly to fit limits. If images still look degraded, make sure both of you run the latest WhatsApp, confirm the photo in Files is the original, and check network reliability. Packets lost on poor Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.